My dear students, in session we are going to see the types of farming. Okay, the last session most probably we had seen what are the different agricultural activities they are doing in India. Okay, that is the thing, how the paddy growth of the paddy we had seen that, and how the different agricultural activities, what we can able to say that how the land is cleared, and how this types of processing of this agricultural activity. And first, this the process what they are calling as ploughing, and second they are doing as sowing the seed, and third they are going for harvesting. That is what the food grains which we are consuming. Okay, that is what the process how they are doing for a paddy. I had shown in the slide. Okay, how how they are sowing the seed, and how they are doing that organic farming, and how they are doing inorganic farming and mechanized farming also. That section we have seen, and this section we are going to see types of farming. Okay, and in India only, in what are the types of farming in India, and that is the thing we are going to see. Okay, and this next is types of farming in India. Okay, we are going for three types of farming. One is first is primitive subsistence farming, and second is intensive subsistence farming, and commercial farming. Okay, and don't forget that this is the types of farming in India. That is the three types of farming activities we are doing. That is the thing, primitive subsistence farming, second is intensive subsistence farming, and third is commercial farming. Okay, and that is the thing what we are going to see one by one. There's three types of farming only. One is primitive subsistence farming. Okay, here what they will do is the farmer is going to do it. The farmer is having small patches of land. Okay, and he uses this primitive tools. That is what this is the digging. Okay, I already showed this how this organic farming with the bullock carts. Okay, and they are digging with the digging sticks, hoe, Deo. Okay, that is what the Chinese word you can able to say that Deo is a Chinese word, and it is what they are calling the term as a bladed cutting. Okay, that is what the term called as a Deo. Okay, Dao. Okay, that is the term, and it is the origin from Chinese word, and that meaning is bladed. Okay, bladed or cutting tool to ploughing. That is what in earlier days we are going for bullock cart ploughing, and nowadays we are going for completely mechanized. That is what with the use of tractor only. You might have seen in the field also. Okay, and this farming depends on monsoon. You know that every farming completely depends on monsoon and natural fertility of the soil, and it is suitability of environmental conditions. Okay, that is the thing. Most probably this type of farming is most probably the monsoon it needs, and natural fertility of the soil also most probably, and suitability of environmental condition. What they will do is farmers clear a patch of land and produce food crops to sustain their family. Here they are having the limited land only, small patches of land only, small. They will cultivate their food grains for their family only. They are not going to sell their food grains to the person. Okay, that is what this is the first method. The agriculture most probably they are done that. Okay, and do you know that after inventing money only we are going for using money, we are buying the material. Okay, this is what the barter system what you are studied in economics, and the same process only the farmers are most probably they will do that. Okay, if that one family needs food grains, they will give pulses to the farmer. Okay, that is what the barter system what we are telling. Okay, and this is the method of farming they are doing. And next what they will do is when the soil fertility they are cultivated and all the things is most probably ended, when the soil fertility decreases, and farmers shift and clear a fresh patch of land for cultivation, and most probably they will shift it to the other land. Okay, they will completely burn what they had cultivated. They had taken the food grains, they harvested the food grains, and most probably, and they most probably clear the earlier land and with the help of they will go for firing only. Okay, they will go for fire the land, and most probably they will shift to the other land. This allows the fertility of soil through natural process. That is what the land productivity. And farmers do not use fertilizers or modern inputs. Okay, that is what earlier after a long time, if first year they are cultivating means, and most probably after taking the food grain they will burn it, and after that, and what they will do is they will come to the same land, and at the time the soil is going to be in a fertile manner. That is the term they are going for. This primitive substance farming is otherwise known as also slash and burn agriculture or shifting cultivation. That is the term why we are calling the term. Here you can able to see that how the farmers are clear. Okay, they are burned this earlier what they had cultivated. Okay, you can able to see this, and this like they will do burning. Okay, and what simple process you can able to note it down. Simply they will cultivate that land after harvesting, after the food grains are taken from that land, they will burn that land. That's all. Okay, and they will burn and they will shift to the place of the land for cultivation. They won't go for again second time crops that which we are doing now. Okay, that is what the process what we are calling as a shifting cultivation. Most probably this is implemented by tribal people only. Okay, that is what the thing in earlier what they are. The thing is most probably it is implemented in tribal people, what you are most probably studied in 9th standard. That is what the shifting cultivation or slash and burn agriculture. Okay, and that is the term most probably you can able to tell that. Okay, this is the thing. Simply you can able to remember that if the farmers are sowing the seeds in a particular plate, they are plowing the land with the help of digging sticks, and after that, after sowing the seeds, and after the plant is grown in a well manner, and after the food grains we are getting, we are harvesting, and after what they will do is they will burn that land. Okay, that is the thing, and they are shipped to the land for cultivation. That is the thing. Okay, they are so that only this is the three terms are we are telling. One is primitive substance farming, and other one is shifting cultivation or slash and burn agriculture. Okay, that is the term. This type of farming. This is what the one type of farming. You can able to say that. Okay, and this type of farming most probably they are using one name. The shifting cultivation only same thing. They are using different names in different states. In India, if you take down Juming, this also you might have studied that the shifting cultivation or Juming. They are using the term in northeastern states like Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram, and Nagaland. Okay, Pamlu in Manipur, Dipa in Bastar district of Chhattisgarh and Andaman Nicobar Island. Okay, that is the thing most probably we are using in India. Okay, and coming to the world, the same slash and burn agriculture or shifting cultivation in the world, the shifting cultivation are otherwise known as Milba in Mexico. Okay, Mexico, the same cultivation they are calling the term as a Milba, Roca in Brazil, Ladang in Indonesia, Ray in Vietnam. Okay, that is the term. You want to memorize this name also. Okay, because they will ask in one more question. Okay, what is the term of shifting cultivation in Mexico? That is the Milba. Okay, so that only in the world we are telling that Milba in Mexico, Roca in Brazil, Ladang in Indonesia, Ray in Vietnam. Okay, that is the term most probably. Okay, this ends with the shifting cultivation or slash and burn agriculture. Okay, and next is the second type of farming is intensive substance farming. This type of farming practiced in areas of high population pressure. Okay, where the population is high and they are going to practice in this intensive farming. Okay, here the labors are used. There only the farmer, family members are used as labor. Okay, the family member only they will use as a labor. But in intensive substance farming, the labors are most used in this intensive farming, and high doses of biochemical inputs. Okay, that is what the fertilizer uses are most probably they are doing in this farming activity. That is what the term called as a intensive substance farming. And irrigation are used for obtaining higher production. Okay, for example, you can able to tell that higher production they are using different types of irrigation method. Okay, that is channel irrigation. You can able to go for dripping irrigation to spend little amount of water. That is what the term type of irrigation. Also they are going in a multiple manner. And remember that here the land is also somewhat more, that is it is having not a small patches of land, and it is the labor is intensive farming, labor also used in the thing is. And next is high doses of biochemical inputs. Okay, and irrigation also obtained for obtaining higher production, that is the thing. And this is what the intensive substance agriculture, that is what the many laborers are used, that is what step by step, this is what the hilly terrain they are using this intensive substance farming in a more manner. Okay, the land is most probably you can able to tell as a terrace farming also, you can able to see that. Okay, that is what the terrace created flat land for wet irrigated rice on hilly land in Indonesia. This is what the process in Indonesia, that is what the intensive substance farming they are going for. Okay, that is the thing. And next is commercial farming. Okay, the third is going for commercial farming. Here higher doses of modern inputs are used most probably. What is that? Higher doses of modern inputs means, and high yielding variety, that is what HYV, that is what the short form what we are calling high yielding variety. And that is what the chemical fertilizer, insecticides and pesticides in order to obtain a higher productivity. Okay, that is the main thing. And degree of commercialization, this is what the term is. The crops are most probably commercialized. Okay, in Punjab and Haryana most probably we are doing commercial farming in a more manner. The farmers usually having the land in a hectare, not in acre, like in Tamil Nadu what the farmer is having. Okay, many people they are having the land in hectare, they are going for commercial farming because they are the number one producing state in rice production, and that is what the wheat production in a more manner. If they are not doing that, completely we are going for a food security problem in India. That is the main thing. So that only because irrigation facilities also based on the Indus Valley, the Indus River, we are having this irrigation facilities in a well manner. That is the main thing. They are going for paddy and this wheat in a more manner. That is what the thing most probably you can able to say that this is what the commercial farming, and it is having large amount of acre of land the farmer is most probably using. And modern input means that is what the modern technological mechanized farming, that is what earlier for ploughing and all they used this you can able to tell that bullock carts. Here commercial farming completely they are using tractor. For harvesting they are using paddy harvester. The human beings are not used in the thing. Okay, completely mechanized farming, you can able to tell the term as a commercial farming. And why we are using as a commercial, this is the production is a more manner, we are producing in a more manner, and we are commercialized this food grains in a more manner. That is the term. This green revolution most probably insisted this commercial farming in a more manner, so that only we are having. And you can able to say that how they are doing. Okay, how this mechanized farming, they are having this automatic irrigation facilities, the sprinkler system, you can able to say that. And how this the tractors and most probably they are going for fertilizing also. All the things are automatic process with the machines only they are using. Don't forget that with the machines, modern machines, mechanized machine only they are using, either for ploughing, and second is sowing the seed also they are using this machine only. And even the sprinkler system with the irrigation they are using the sprinkling system. That is the sprinkler system of thing. Okay, that is what the like rainfall they will do for that plant. Okay, that is the thing for sprinkler system, you can able to say that. And this is the thing what we are calling as a commercial farming. Okay, and next is okay, these are the thing most probably what we are calling as a commercial farming. And next is again this commercial farming also one type of plantation what we are calling. And this plantation most probably we are going in a hilly terrain only, single crop grown in larger areas. Okay, and most probably this we are having migrant labors. Okay, and we had already studied in civics, that is what for entirely how the people are transported from Tamil Nadu to Sri Lanka as a migrant laborers only, as a tea plantation workers only. Okay, I already uh, told in the first session in this what we are studied about Sri Lanka. That is what the migrant laborers. Okay, and here we are not having this laborers in a more manner. They in Sri Lanka they are having completely tea plantation workers only in more manner. You can able to say that Tamil Nadu people are more dominant in Kerala as a tea plantation workers. Okay, Kerala, if you go for Idukki district, you can able to say that Tamil Nadu people are working more in Idukki district in tea plantation. Okay, and this plantation we are cultivating tea, coffee, rubber. You know that Assam's tea is famous tea in a taste also. That is the term you can able to tea we are cultivating in Assam and North Bengal, and coffee we are going for cultivating in Karnataka. And it is having a the production, if you say, it is having a well developed network of transport and communication. If you go for visit this in Kerala in this tea plantation, and many of the people are women are most probably employed in this leaf taking. This what the leaf is an important part of the converting into tea, which you are drinking as tea. Okay, that is what the thing most probably you can able to this Tata tea, and your different brands are there. No, not Tata tea, and other the thing is Kannan Devan tea. You can able to tell that. Okay, Taj Mahal tea. You can able to tell, but you are drinking only super dusty tea. Okay, not good quality tea. Remember that. That is the important thing. You can able to note it down, because in India the Assam tea is it is a very famous tea also. In tasty also, that is what they will tell that Assam tea is very tasty in nature in India compared to other the plantation, based on that fertile land what they will call it. Okay, the same thing only the varieties we are growing in Kerala, but the taste is most probably dominant in Assam tea in a more manner. That is the thing you can able to see that. And next is okay, this is what the three types of farming. Okay, don't forget it. One is primitive substance farming, and next is intensive substance farming, commercial farming. Primitive substance farming or slash and burn agriculture or septic cultivation. Okay, and the questions of this part is write a note on primitive substance farming or slash and burn agriculture or septic cultivation. Okay, and next is describe about intensive farming. Okay, and briefly write a note on commercial farming and what are plantation crops. Okay, that is what the slide I had told you. And if you are having agriculture land in your village, what type of farming your family is doing. Okay, whether they are going for intensive substance farming, and nowadays we are not going for this septic cultivation. I am sure that, because we are completely going for commercial farming. Okay, and we are not going for intensive substance also more manner. Sometimes this is a second intensive substance is more we are going for, and completely we are going for commercial farming. Okay, we need more production, so we are using fertilizer in a more manner, and that fertilizer also what we are eating, it is also mingled with the food chain also. That is what the thing most probably that is what the difference between organic farming and inorganic farming also, and that is the three types of farming in India. That is the thing most probably. Okay, I am concluded from this session. Okay, I am going to conclude this session. Okay, thank you for your attending. Okay, thank you for your attention. Thank you. And next section we can able to say that say major crops in India. Okay, that is the thing. Thank you.